Experiment 48, the flying helicopter. Tools needed from kit: one balloon joint, one propeller joint, 3 propeller blades. Directions: fit the 3 propeller blades into the propeller joint. You should hear a click when they snap into place. Step 2, fit the balloon around the wider end of the balloon joint. Step 3, blow air into the balloon from the other end of the balloon joint. Pinch the neck of the balloon so that it doesn't lose air. Insert the balloon joint into the propeller joint. Hold your helicopter with the propeller on top and the balloon underneath. Watch it fly.